After lunch, the rooms are finally ready, and here is our princess room. Let's take a quick tour. This is the first bathroom, and I do want to mention this is the Disney Magic, which is Disney's first and oldest ship. And as you can tell, they keep it very well maintained and updated. This is the dining area. They give you a welcome fruit basket. There's a mini kitchen, the living room with a sofa bed, and then there's the bedroom. And coming up is my favorite part of this room. I'll wait for you guys to see it. It's this huge veranda. Look at this. I know this is going to offer amazing views whenever we start sailing or whenever we land in one of our port of calls like Cozumel or Castaway Cay. I can't wait to see the view from there. Now we go back to our bedroom, and on the TV it has our name, Kyumko and Ganzon Party. There's our bed, and there's a hidden Mickey on the headboard. There's the closet area, and then there's me. Here is the dresser and vanity area. It's really convenient whenever you're getting ready. And here is the second bathroom. And this one's bigger than the last one. It looks really pretty. I really love this update.